In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable features in Hubstaff. If you want to customize how your Hubstaff workspace functions, turning features on or off is a simple way to do it. This can be helpful if you're trying to streamline the tools your team sees, reduce clutter in the dashboard, or make sure only the options you actually use are active. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can manage those settings quickly and confidently. To begin, log into your Hubstaff account and make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace where you want to make the changes. Since feature controls are usually organization level settings, it's important to verify that you're working in the right place before updating anything. Once you're in Hubstaff, look for the settings option in the main navigation area and click on it. This is where Hubstaff keeps the core configuration options for your workspace. If you have the correct permissions, settings will give you access to administrative tools that affect how the platform behaves for your team. If you don't see the option, you may need admin level access before you can continue. After opening settings, find and click on Enable Disable Features. This is the section where Hubstaff lets you manage which tools and functions are active for your organization. When you open this area, you'll typically see a list of available features along with controls that allow you to switch them on or off depending on your needs. Take a moment here to review the available options carefully before making changes. Enabling a feature may introduce a new tool or workflow for your team, while disabling one may hide it or prevent team members from using it. Because of that, it's a good idea to think about how each change could affect daily operations, reporting, or user access. As you make updates, be sure to double check that the settings reflect what you want for the organization. If your team relies on certain features regularly, you may also want to communicate any changes in advance so there's no confusion later. That's all it takes to enable or disable features in Hubstaff. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your workspace organized and aligned with how your team works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.